What's up, everybody? Karen Chris back again with another.
Cam.
You always say something funny right before we start. Let's check out Lil J. This Making Noise by Lil J.
Okay.
Let's get it.
This old Lil J, I guess.
Oh, it's a year ago. I don't know though. We don't know when it was uploaded
Right,
or when it was
right.
made.
Okay. Oh, no video.
That's that Diddy.
Yeah, he could do that on here for sure.
So who is that on here?
Right, that's not him, huh?
Oh, that's Billionaire Black.
Oh, okay. It's a couple of people on
And
here.
Young Mello.
Okay. I was like, that ain't his voice. That does sound like Billionaire Black. Okay.
Finish that.
Thanks. Okay.
Get it. That sound like Young. On the computer or on your phone?
Right. Okay.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, pay attention.
Yeah, I like that. They've said the hook way too many times. But
Yeah,
I like
well,
we
I'm
so
just
used to these one verse,
glad.
two verse songs.
Well, that's what I said when I saw that it was about to be 5 minutes. I'm like, Lil J gonna go for 5 minutes. So I'm glad it was different people
A lot
in
of
it.
Diddy bopping it up.
Right, to break it up. But that,
Yeah, there was 3 of them.
yeah, it was 3, so it broke it
it's
up.
just so funny to hear them old songs where it got 3 verses.
Yeah.
And they sang in the hook, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of that new stuff.
I know, it's just.
It's you know, and you kind of appreciate it now because it's like short and sweet.
Yeah, short and sweet.
But you won't. It's hard to turn off because the video it be over so fast.
It
so
does.
before you can.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and they don't really have a hook. It's like they may say what the hook
right.
is.
And it's almost like a verse.
Yeah, and right.
Yeah.
It's part of the actual verse. Yeah. But that was good. They all sound good.
Yeah.
I was sitting there like, that
like
ain't just Lil J, but I'm glad when you look at it, that
Billionaire Black. And I thought it was Young. It sounded like Young.
Young
It
Mello.
say Young Mello, but
who is
I don't know.
You know who that is?
FBG Young is what I'm guessing. That's what it sounds like. That's Cash, little brother, you know.
Okay, I don't know.
But Young Mello, is that his name? He used to go by. I don't know. Y'all tell us in the comments.
Good. So we know it ain't a yo because that was Lil J.
Yeah,
that was old.
Yeah,
that was young Lil J.
New J.
What big Lil J?
Big J.
Yeah, so that was good though. I wish it had a video because when we gotta look at the
the
still shot and it's long, you be looking like you just did.
I was looking down at the fan and
all type of stuff.
All that.
Anyway.
But thank y'all for watching. Y'all like the video, subscribe, hit the notification, all that.
All that.